Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we've got another house vlog. So it is the 16th of November and it looks like they're about to start doing the bricks. So I want to go and have a look. So let's go. So they've got some sand here and like a shed. I'm assuming they're keeping the cement. Look, they started on the bricks. And they've really only just done this. This is all like... Oh, they've even broken some. Thanks, guys. But yeah, this is my brick. I don't know if it's really good in this lighting, but it is the colour porcini, mushroom sort of colour. And I've got the darker grey cement. But that is literally all the brickwork they've done. So yeah, you know, we're getting somewhere, I guess. Yeah, that's it so far. Also this in my bedroom. I don't know what it is, but it's here. But yeah, they've started sectioning off some bricks, so they're ready to go. What they have done is replace this, because this one didn't have a lock on it, whereas this one originally did. And I need both windows to be able to lock, so I'm glad they have sorted that out. So good job for that one, guys. So I just picked up this light from Beacon Lighting. It's this one here. A lot of people have it in black, but I decided to be a bit different and get it in the silver. So excited for that to be hanging over my dining room table. Woo! $700 later. So tell me what you think of the house so far.
Right, we're at Kate's house and the place is half built, the woodwork is in, bricks are next, all the bricks are laying here.
Yeah, I like the colour of the bricks.
Yes.
I like the little tone of lilac.
There's plenty of space inside and nice entertaining area.
And outside entertaining area.
Kate wouldn't have a shower while she was in there. I don't think there was any water, that's the only trouble.
And I particularly like the fact that there's a lounge and then a big living area at the back of the house, which is quite big for a family.
Very nice. All looks very nice, Kate.
Yeah.
You've done well.
Yeah. And I'm going to come and have a bath as soon as it's up.
God. We better clear the area first.
Yeah, it's lovely, and we'll be looking forward to seeing it next step and stuff.
Yeah.
So it's the 23rd of November now, and they've done a little bit more, but not a lot. But they've started putting some stuff around the windows, so I think they are starting to get some serious brickwork in. But yeah, a little bit more, not a lot, but you know, getting there. And all these like air conditioner vent pipe things, so that's cool. They go all the way down through the house. Plus the Sparkies have been in and they're starting to do all the electrical and more water pipes and electrical pipes and all that sort of stuff. So it's the 30th of November and they have started on more of the bricks. So they've done some of the front of the house. And then they have also done most of the side of the house, and they've also installed some sort of electrical boxes and things like that. But yeah, got some more bricks, and it goes all the way down to the laundry. So this is where they have stopped, and they still need to go all the way back around to where they started at the garage, just in there. Yeah, just a little bit more done. Hopefully they'll finish it off soon. So it's the 4th of December and he has not only almost finished this wall here, but he's come round out to the back area as well. So hopefully he'll be done very soon because he's taken his time. Let's just say that. It's the 7th of December and he's pretty much almost finished with the bricks. He's just gotta do that little bit up there, but it's been so hot the last few days. I'm so proud of the brick guy because he's just done so much, you know. Just some little bits and pieces left to do and good to go. Getting excited. Woo! It is the 14th of December and not only have they finished all the bricks, I'm about to look inside these fucking walls. Like, oh my god. I have walls. I have walls. Oh my god. I have walls, people. I have walls. Holy shit balls, I have walls. So exciting. It's a garage. My beauty room. The cupboard. The lounge room. The bedroom, the laundry, and the bathroom. You even got the little things in the walls. And the tote. And my living area. So freaking excited, guys. Woo! And I have ceilings too. Holy shit, I also have ceilings. Oh my god. It's all coming together. And since the ceilings are up, obviously insulation has also gone in, which is awesome. Like, it's been a bit rainy though, so I hope to put in a front door soon because I don't want any of my stuff to get damaged. I mean, my walls, my lovely, lovely walls to get damaged. So hopefully that happens soon. We'll be in lock-up stage soon. So, oh, this makes my heart so happy. So it is the 21st of December and we have a front door. You can't easily open it, but there's no handle or anything, but we've got a front door. So we're technically in lock-up. I don't think they'll be doing any more work again until the new year, some sort of late January. There's also a door in the garage. Again, it's barely hanging. You'd have to knock it down. There's no door handle or anything. I've looked through all the windows, there's no internal doors and there's no garage door or anything. But yeah, I think they're done for the year, so that'll be the end of this vlog, guys. I'll see you in the new year with more updates on the house.